Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the on-screen keyboard on GIGABYTE G7. So there are two different types of on-screen keyboard, and the first one is sort of legacy, but it's a bit more useful, although if you have an external touchscreen connected or maybe a graphics tablet, then the second method may be more easy to use. So let's go to settings and go to the first method, which is accessibility, keyboard, and now you can enable the on-screen keyboard. You can also do that without going to settings by clicking on Windows, Ctrl and O on your keyboard, but if your keyboard doesn't work, then you should get to the settings straight away, right? You can resize this keyboard, you can move it around the screen, you can minimize it, you can maximize it, but you can deminimize it. You can also go to options and enable the numpad as well. You can see there are all the legacy keyboard keys like page up, page down, pause, scroll lock, print screen, insert, and everything. You can enable or disable the num lock. So there's lots of different options here. You can also pin this keyboard to your taskbar. So after right clicking on it, if you pin it to the taskbar, even if you close it, it will still persist there, and if you reopen it, it'll still work. So I think it's also pretty convenient. And now let's get to the second method, which if we go to personalization, taskbar, and touch keyboard, you can set it to always. Now, from now on, you'll see the touch keyboard symbol on the bottom bar. Once you click on it, it'll open the touch keyboard. Of course, this laptop doesn't have a touch screen, but as I said, if you have an external touch screen or a graphics tablet, it may get useful. You can see there's less keys, but it's easier to operate. Also, it looks better. So it's just up to you. You can set it to default small, which is undocked, and you can move it around. Then there is also the split one for typing with thumbs, and traditional, which has a bit more keys than the default one here, but still less than the legacy on-screen keyboard. And you can also find handwriting, which lets you just input your handwriting from a graphics tablet or any other type of stylus that you're using on some other external devices. You can also do it with mouse, but it's pretty difficult to actually do something with mice. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.